Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A35 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on your photo in the right corner and there we must choose Settings option. In it, Family and their Parental Controls. As you can see now we have PG3 to visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin to parental control and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow unincluded underrated, confirm by got it and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all, we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!